This is the AI News Flash for April 29th, 2 p.m. UTC. First up, OpenAI's drift from Microsoft to Amazon turns aggressive, CNBC reported today. What was once a subtle hedge has become an overt push, with OpenAI rapidly expanding into Amazon's AWS territory following the recent $38 billion compute deal. OpenAI is breaking out of Microsoft Azure exclusivity to build a multi-cloud capacity for both training and inference, backed by a $1 trillion IPO plan and $167 billion in total funding. The hyperscaler AI CapEx war enters a new phase with the three-way structure of Microsoft, AWS, and Google Cloud reaching a decisive turning point. Next, Oracle's Larry Ellison bet on OpenAI emerges as the symbol of the AI bubble. The Verge published a deep dive today. Oracle holds a $300 billion data center contract with OpenAI and has taken on $43 billion of debt in fiscal 2026 to build neocloud capacity. Founder Ellison's personal bet is reshaping the entire corporate financial structure. Paul Kudrowski of SK Ventures called Ellison out of his mind, questioning the pivot from a low-growth, high-margin database business to a low-margin, high-capex neocloud. Co-CEOs McGork and Cecilia are nominal, with the reality being the Larry show. But Oracle's stock price and CDS spreads have become barometers of the broader AI bubble, with successful inference monetization now the survival condition for both Oracle and OpenAI in this defining corporate gamble of the AI era. Third, China's Cambricon Q1 revenue more than doubles on AI chip demand surge. Bloomberg reported today, Chinese AI semiconductor leader Cambricon's first quarter sales more than doubled year over year. With net income also rising sharply, Beijing's semiconductor self-sufficiency push is driving an explosion in domestic AI chip demand. This follows DeepSeek V4's optimization for Huawei Ascend chips and accelerated domestic chip procurement by Alibaba, ByteDance, and Tencent. Amid prolonged U.S. export restrictions, ending NVIDIA dependence has become the core strategy of the China AI stack. Cambricon targets 500,000 AI accelerator shipments in 2026, growing rapidly as a central pillar of China's AI semiconductor ecosystem alongside SMIC and Huawei. Fourth, PayPal says AI shopping agents are creating an invisible storefront economy, Fast Company reported today. According to PayPal executives, autonomous AI agents are bypassing traditional storefront interfaces and completing product discovery, comparison, and checkout in ways invisible to humans, forming a rapidly emerging new economic layer. PayPal is pushing its agentic commerce strategy through Agent Toolkit and MCP support, intensifying competition with Visa Intelligent Commerce, MasterCard Agent Pay, and Stripe's X402 protocol. Traditional e-commerce display, advertising, SEO, and search interfaces face fundamental disruption from agent-driven transactions, with disintermediation pressure spreading across distribution, payments, and subscription markets. Fifth, South Africa withdraws draft AI policy over AI-fabricated citations. Semaphore reported today. South African Communications and Digital Technologies Minister Solly Malatsi withdrew the government's draft AI policy after academic citations were found to be AI hallucinations. Malatsi called it a major embarrassment. The withdrawn draft included plans for a dedicated AI commission and an insurance fund for harm mitigation, but the department failed to detect the fabricated references before public comment release. Following AI hallucination incidents in U.S. courts and European universities, the surfacing of AI fabrication at the government policy level reveals serious institutional risk, making AI governance and verification processes a global priority. That's all for this AI News Flash.